you're having fun right now.
자, 그럼 다음 곡 뭐 해볼까요?
Alright, Dan, what shall we do for the next song?
신나는 거.
We need to do something jumping and fun.
그렇죠.
That's right.
미친 듯이 뛰어봐야죠, 한번.
Let's jump like the crazy people.
혹시 저희 잘 보여요? 1층 뒤쪽도?
The people in the back on the first floor, can you see us well?
Alright. 그러면 준원 씨.
Then in that case, Juan.
예.
Yeah?
다음 곡 무슨 곡으로 해야 될 것 같아요?
Then what do you think should be the next song?
근데 제가 신나는 거 하면 좋겠는데.
I really want the next song to be something exciting.
뭔가 베이커 들리는 것 같은데.
I think I can hear people shouting that canticle.
그러면 준원이가 하고 싶은 베이커 예? 베이커 할까요? 네, 바로 가볼까요?
Then shall we do the song that Juan wants, the bad canticle? Shall we start immediately?
마지막 곡이죠?
Oh, by the way, this is our last song, right?
가봅시다. Let's go.
Then let's go immediately.
Don't run away, 숨길 수 없어 It's more than I like, more than I like It can't come now, can't come now, no When comes and sun's over Wash your hate away 네 공식 속에 나의 좋겠니 난 너만 이럴 수 없어 crazy It's enough 잘해도 그저 You guys like it? 다들 신났구먼.
Everyone, you guys are all excited.
I can see that you guys are very excited, right? I know that you guys want one more song, but we gotta save our energy for our actual show, okay? And I'm glad that you guys are so excited right now.
Make some noise if you guys are excited. Yeah. And promise that you guys are gonna be 2 times more excited than me actually come up with the show, okay? Promise? Alright, awesome. Alright, we'll be back soon. Thank you. 지금까지 엑스디너리였습니다.
Xdinary Heroes, thank you. See you. See you later.
Yeah. Hey, see you later.